Hello, David here, and the project for today is a follow-up on my leaky refrigerator. This is a General Electric refrigerator, 21 years old. I was having an instance of water pooling up on the inside of the refrigerator. I thawed out the refrigerator. After 3 days there was no leaks, but on the 4th day it started leaking again. So I looked around for the tube, the vent tube, and the vent tube comes from the cooling coils in the freezer section of the refrigerator. Couldn't find them on the inside, so I thought I'd pull the refrigerator out from the wall, and sure enough I found 2 tubes. This one's for the ice maker, that's a water supply line. But this looks like a drain. This just pulls off and there's a pan underneath. This U-shaped thing drains down behind this cardboard cover into a drain pan. So there was some dirt in here. Cleaned it out with water. Then I went up in here with my plastic drain cleaner. I just poked around in there. Was able to pull out some fuzz, not a whole lot. I'm going to assemble it, but this time I'm going to wait about 4 or 5 days before I see if it leaks again. Let's see what happens. It's been 6 days since I cleaned out the drain on the back of the refrigerator, and the towel is still dry. Great fix, because I was under a lot of pressure to buy a new refrigerator, so that saved me a lot of money. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.